How to turn on camera access for Instagram on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap App Management. Then select App List. Now tap the search icon, type Instagram, and open it. Next, tap Permissions, then select Camera. Choose Allow only while using the app or Allow, depending on the options available on your device. This gives Instagram permission to use your camera. If you also want to record videos or make video calls, go back to the Permissions menu, tap Microphone, and make sure it's set to Allow as well. Now open Instagram and try using the camera. You should be able to create stories, record reels, and make video calls without any problems. If the camera still isn't working, restart your phone and make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. And that's it. Your camera access for Instagram is now enabled. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.